Okay, 2 months ago, I made a 3 stud wide truck. Guess what? I did something different today, and that is a 3 stud wide train. Anyways, let me explain. Alright, this is my very first 3 stud wide train, and that is the Santa Fe F7. Here is some information about the F7. The F7 locomotive was produced by Electromotive Division, or it is also known as EMD. It has about 1,500 horsepower. In fact, it was built in between 1949 to 1953. Also, I realized that the bogies can turn, which that is good. Actually, look at this one. It can do a 360. The only problem, it may fall off. Yeah, let me put this back together. Why is it not going back together? Okay, now that's better. Well, it looks like that's pretty much it throughout this entire video. Also, what do you think of my new 3 stud wide train? Just let me know in the comments and I'll find out. Anyways, see you later, everybody.